So I can tell why the fishing guide canceled on me this morning. While this is the most beautiful place I've probably ever fished, the water is really treacherous. You got whitecaps all over the lake, and he said there were hazardous wind conditions, so I couldn't fish from a boat. But we're gonna try to catch a fish from it ashore, which is pretty intimidating in a lake of this size, but we'll give it a shot. I got some anchovies from the gas station, which they recommended. And I also watched a couple of how to catch a fish on Lake Mead fishing videos for me, and they did. So we'll try what they recommend. But man, I'm gonna get seasick just standing on this pier. What a beautiful place. But man, the guide was right. The wind is really, really strong. All right, well, we'll see what that does for us. Floating. That's just floating. I probably need to put more weight on there. Got the weights. Definitely getting seasick on this pier. Jeez Louise, I bent over, which was a big mistake. That always gets me real seasick when I bend over. Half my bait. All right, this is gonna be challenging. This is gonna be really fucking challenging. Hook. I don't think quite that big. No, it is cold and windy, and the guide was right. The conditions are very treacherous. Yeah, yo. Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in a bit of trouble here. Whew. Yikes. Whoa. God dang, that's powerful. Woo-wee. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's shells all over here, meaning the water comes up this high. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to find a calm spot, get out of this wind. And I see a fisherman down here, which is a good sign. Oh, look at this here. This is some calm stuff here too. This is good. This isn't good. That was a little trick I learned from Hunter. Just caught the Utah fish. I've been fishing all day. And there's the Utah fish. There you go, buddy. He's good. All right, have a good day, guys. I'm gonna go drive to Utah right now. I'm fishing tomorrow on Lake Powell. Thank you.